Several days ago, we talked about the earliest gas operation system in automatic firearms, actually including the auto firearms of nowadays. Typically, there's a small hole on the barrel in order to make a part of the gas that is produced by the igniting gunpowder of the cartridge leak out of the barrel, and then this part of the gas can be the power to push the piston, and the piston can bring the bolt pulled back. So now the self-loading function can come true. This is the most popular gas operation reloading structure, but actually, if we look back the automatic gun in the early time, we will find that the people actually had invented another device to make the automatically reloading function come true. Although it is also a kind of gas operation system, the barrel needed to be drilled the hole if you use the device. So in this video, let's talk about this gas trap. If you want to learn about the first gas trap device, we will need to come back to 1884. In this year, Hiram Stevens Maxim invented the first real practical and successful automatic machine gun. It is worth mentioning that in this 1884 Maxim's machine gun patent, there may be a special cup system, and it was also painted in the patent. And it says that it might be the former of the gas trap. But when we open the patent document, it may be very hard to find the same point between the Maxim machine gun and the real gas trap. Additionally, there is a point that the Maxim machine gun is a kind of machine gun that uses a recoil-operated system, but not the gas-operated system. So overall, I'm afraid that this cup system might not the real ancestor of the gas trap, but it might still give an inspiration to the gas trap designer. So now we may have to wait the historians can give us a better answer one day. What if we must find out which was the first prototype of the gas trap? I think it should be the John Browning's flapper rifle. But here, we must notice that both utilize the gas that exhausts from the muzzle as the main power of self-loading the next cartridge. But both might not have a very close relationship, because both had a very different design idea after all. And when we see the pictures of the flapper rifle and the rifle with gas trap, both just had similar function in self-reloading. Basically, the gas trap was used in the 1900s to 1930s in history. For example, according to John Garand's original design as adopted in 1936, the early models of his very famous M1 Garand rifles used this gas trapping system. Apart from the M1 Garand, other early semi-auto rifles like M1922 Bond rifle, General Liu rifle in 1910s, which both are mentioned in my Old Gun Daily Series posts, and also early models of Gewehr 41 and the early versions of Fusil Mondragon, also known as the Mondragon rifle, have used the gas trap. When the time entered the 1940s, the gas trapping system actually was less and less used on the new automatic rifles. But why people decided to abandon the gas trap? We will talk about the reason in the third chapter. And now, let's see how it works. The gas trap we can identify as a kind of T-wolf for the gas. After open firing, the gunpowder can produce a mass of gas, and the gas can go along in the inside of the barrel. When the gas arrives at the muzzle location, because of the gas trap set on the muzzle, some gas can be trapped. In other words, some gas arriving here can turn the going direction and go down through the inside space. This part of gas can be called the trapped gas, and then the trapped gas can force backwards through the rifle cylinder and push the piston to make the bolt pull back. And now the rifle can load the next cartridge. Due to this design, the gun didn't have a hole that must be drilled on the barrel. Compared with the gun barrel with a hole, the barrel without a hole is seemingly the better one and a smarter design. but sometimes the real situation is different from the expectation on paper. We know that cleaning the carbon deposits is a very important part of gun maintenance. Because of the gas trap mechanism, the cleaning job became more non-convenient. If people wanted to clean it completely, they would have to remove the entire front end and then scrubbed and oiled in order to clean the hardened carbon deposits. So we can imagine that if soldiers are on the battlefield, these are serious cleaning steps that can make them very tormented. Moreover, it is possible that the gas trap device becomes loose. What if the user misses a problem? The result will be horrible, because if the device gets a loose plug, and at the same time, people open fire, and the bullet can be shot out of the barrel, it is possible that the bullet strikes the gas trap device, and it may result in the rifle being blown off. So this might be the reason why, after the 1940s, many military departments of the countries in the world started to abandon the gas trap concept and accept a gun barrel with a gas hole when they decided to design a new automatic rifle. Okay, this is this video, and thank you for watching. Hope you can like this video. Have a good day. See you next time.